So hello, and I'm filming in the van. I've taken the van out for a little bit of a drive because I haven't used it for a couple of weeks, and I just wanted to test out a couple of products. And I've got a little product on the go at the moment, and you're actually mounted to my windscreen using this actual product that I've got. Ulanzi have sent me the Falcam F22 suction clamp. I think it's like a 50mm suction clamp. I've got information with me, but I haven't actually got it in my hand because I'm driving at the moment. Now this clamp is so good that I can mount it anywhere on a flat surface, which means I can mount it on my windscreens, on the inside of the car. You're now actually fixed up near my windscreen rear view mirror. Just before I had it on the side window, and I've also mounted it on the outside of the van. I've been coming down this lane. So I've had it on the side of the van, I've had it on the door of the van, I've had it on the bonnet of the van, I've had it on the roof of the van, I've had it on the front windscreen of the van, I've had it on the side windscreen of the van. I've had it everywhere. I've stuck it on the side of the van all over the place with my GoPro attached to it, just to see what it's actually like and see what the footage looks like as well. So this basically means I can use my camera pretty much in any direction and mount it on any of the surfaces in the vehicle, which means you get a different look and a different view. And at the moment you're attached to my side window, so if I lift you up, you go back up, and if I bring the window down, you can see you go down, which is pretty damn crazy, isn't it, really? But yeah, it's just a good way of mounting the cameras, and I think it's a really good suction cup. So I understand this takes 50 kilograms, and yeah, that's how much power or suction it gets. Now there's a little bit of a bounce with it, a little bit of a wobble, but these modern cameras have got image stabilizer in them, which means that that little bit of a bounce takes out the inertia shock, and then a little bit of stabilization that the cameras give should even out the footage, and hopefully the footage that you're seeing from this is pretty good and pretty clear and pretty fine. So you understand this thing takes a load weight capacity of 1 kilogram, so you can actually put a camera on this that takes up to 1 kilogram of weight, which would mean my M50 is fine, my GoPro is absolutely perfect. It's got a vertical suction of 20 kilograms, where a vertical suction actually being pulled down, that's how much pressure it will take going that way, and a 30 kilogram suction being pulled directly off, a horizontal suction if you like. So yeah, it's got quite a little bit of suction power. There is a little bit of bounce in it, there's a little bit of flex in the rubber mounting, but then these modern cameras have got image stabilizers, so that takes the inertia out of it, and then the image stabilization should level off the footage quite nicely. So I'm hoping that the footage is going to look pretty good coming from this camera on this angled mount. And at the moment you're on the side windscreen just facing towards me, so I've got a nicer angle looking at me. It's F22 quick release suction cup, that's what it's actually called. I'm just about to go across a very small canal bridge. This is actually a tilting bridge, very old age, pretty cool. Yeah, it weighs 155 grams, and it's got a 3-inch diameter on the actual suction disc, and it's pretty cool. Now I'm looking for a road. There's a road just here. How about this one here, this single track road? I'm just going to head up here and have a look and see what's up here. So I thought I'd better explain how this thing works. So yeah, you can see it's stuck to my windscreen. You've got this little bit of a flex and a little bit of a bounce on it. And if I bring it a little bit closer, come on over here and I'll show you. So you've got this bit of a flex, you see this bit of a bounce, but I think that takes up by the image stabilizer that's inside. And what you do is you actually, to release it, you have these little rubber grommet things sticking out, and you basically pull these little rubber grommets, and I can get my finger on it. There's one underneath, like so. It just comes off. So you've got these little rubber grommets on the bottom there that basically pull the suction cup and let the air in. And then what you do is you put it on the screen. I'm doing this one-handed. Put it on the screen and you basically pump the pump action, and that's it. That's now stuck to the windscreen. Okay, and then obviously with whatever arm you've got on the top, you can adjust your arm to wherever you want it. Now I've had it stuck on here. I've also had it stuck up here, up on the top of my windscreen. Up there like so. I've had it stuck up there. so that you can have it coming back this way. I've had it on the window over that side, so it went up and down on the window. It's been outside there. It's also been on the side of the vehicle as well. So yeah, it really does work really well. And all you want to do when you're going to move it, you literally just pull those little suction cups, and then you can stick it wherever you want, which is not easy when it's one-handed. And that's it, it's back on the windscreen. And I'm ever so sorry it's ever so dark, but I'm in the van, so to make do with that, won't we? So would also like to add as well, it's got a 1/4 inch thread in the top for attaching your arms to and stuff like that. And if I move the arm down out the way for you for a moment, you can see there's an attachment at the front there with a little clip on it. This takes the F22 mount that Ulanzi make. And if I can give you a closer look at this, motorbike just gone past, I'll give you a closer look at this. You can see there that you've got the F22 mount with a little clip on the side. So basically you can have a proper little mount that attaches to this directly as well, but they are sold separately, which I do not have, so I can't show you how it works. But yeah, there's a 1/4 inch thread, and it's well made. It's quite solid. It's nice and lightweight. So yeah, all in all, good job. So yeah, I'm just going to say thanks for watching. Check it out. All the links and descriptions will be in the comments below. No, all the links and descriptions, everything could be in the description below, let's put it that way. And yeah, please like and subscribe, and check out some more of my gear. I try and get everything and anything to do with video and photography and anything and everything I can find. And this looks like a dead end, so I may have to turn around. Ciao for now, see you soon, bye bye.